Alright guys, this is a 2013 Range Rover Sport. If you're getting this message and your hood is fully closed, it is likely because you have a bad hood switch. Today I'm going to show you how to change that. It is very easy. The switch is located at the front of the vehicle on the passenger side. This is the whole latch and switch assembly. The switch is on the underside of the latch. You can buy the switch by itself or the whole latch assembly that includes the switch. I'll put a part number in the description below. Since mine's a little rusted, I'm changing out the whole latch and switch. Also, you will need a T30 Torx wrench. Alright, first off, you need to remove your grill. There are 4 latches that you need to undo first. Right here, 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 and here. Just push the tab down and pull it out a little bit. Alright. Now the top is out. Make sure they're all out, or else you might break them. Alright, all you do is pull both sides straight out. That's it. There are 2 tabs that you need to pull out, right here and right here. Alright, then all you need to do is undo the 2 screws right here and right here. Alright, so there's a spacer in here, so make sure you don't lose it. Here's the spacer. Make note of the orientation so it'll be easier to reassemble later. Then you need to unplug this right here. Notice how my switch is actually cracked. You're going to need to pull the switch out. There are 2 locking tabs right here that you need to push in, and then this whole plastic piece is going to slide out. Alright, then you need to undo the release mechanism. It's just a wire that you need to pull out. Just pull it out this way. Alright, here's what it looks like with the latch fully removed. Alright, time to put on a new latch. Alright, make sure these 2 plastic pieces are all the way in the groove, or you might end up with a hood that you can't open. Once that's in, you can reconnect the cable. Should just slide right in. Reinstall the shim and really just reverse the process. Alright, here's how it looks with everything back together. Alright, no more errors. Thanks for watching.